Got that good shit.
Hello guys, welcome back to my new video, and today I show you how to use embedded net DVR on Hikvision and VR with iPad or iPhone. Okay, so now open Hikvision and VR, and so now install the Hikvision in VR with QR code. To link in description to download now. Okay, so now please enter email address. So now this is example is engineersuggest@gmail.com. Okay, and so now please enter your email address. Okay, so now you this is so mail.google.com. Okay, so now this is so. Okay, so now Hikvision AVR, your pin is Hikvision and VR, or is 733/0. Okay, so now let's try again. Okay, so now please try again for now. So okay, so now check the accessory before not ready. Okay, so now let's try again. Mobile line 733/0. Okay, with face corner lot network resources 733/0. Okay, so now please retry again for now. Okay, 733/0. Okay, so now sing it. Okay, so now my OS. Okay, so now create the OS, and so now enter the name always so embedded net DVR. Okay, so now please enter IP address on distribution 192.168.1.20. Okay, so this is all. This is cancel details thing. Okay, before this is a trust image that and so. Okay, so now before you uploaded this step, so add new. Let's start. Before, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.